Crystals, these vibrant, energy-rich stones, have long been associated with love and relationships. Throughout history and across cultures, they've been believed to hold the power to influence our emotional connections. From ancient times to modern day, these gems have been cherished as symbols of love, harmony, and companionship. So if you're curious about how these beautiful gems could potentially enhance your love life, stick around as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic. To fully appreciate how crystals may affect our relationships, we first need to understand their nature and perceived powers. Crystals, in essence, are solid materials where the atoms are arranged in a highly ordered, repeating pattern extending in all three spatial dimensions. This order, this pattern, is believed to hold energetic properties that can influence our lives. Now, this may sound a bit mystical, and indeed, crystals have long been associated with spiritual and healing practices. Let's delve into some common types of crystals. First up is Rose Quartz, often referred to as the love stone. It's associated with love, compassion, and emotional healing. Next is Amethyst, a stunning purple crystal known for its calming properties. It's believed to promote balance and peace, which can be crucial in maintaining healthy relationships. And then we have clear quartz, the master healer. This crystal is said to amplify energy and thought, as well as the effect of other crystals, making it a versatile companion. Each crystal, with its unique pattern and energy, carries a different meaning. Some are thought to bring peace, others clarity or love. But remember, it's not about relying on a crystal to solve all your problems. Instead, they can be used as tools to aid self-reflection, promote positive energy, and inspire personal growth. With a basic understanding of these crystals, it's time to explore how they can specifically influence our romantic relationships. Now that we have a basic understanding of these remarkable gems, let's take a closer look at how specific crystals can potentially enhance your love life. First on our list is the beautiful Rose Quartz, often referred to as the love stone. This crystal is said to emanate a strong vibration of unconditional love, joy, warmth, and emotional healing. It encourages forgiveness, compassion, and harmony in relationships, making it a wonderful crystal for those looking to deepen their connection with their partner. Next, we have the mystical amethyst. This crystal is believed to bring inner peace and healing. It's known for its calming energies that can help soothe tension and stress in a relationship. It's also said to enhance understanding and patience between partners, promoting a more harmonious relationship. Last but certainly not least is the clear quartz. Known as the master healer, this crystal is believed to amplify energy and thought. It aids in clear communication, helping you articulate your feelings and thoughts effectively. This can be especially beneficial in resolving misunderstandings and promoting open dialogue in relationships. But these are just a few examples. There's the soothing energy of the blue lace agate, believed to bring calmness and peace in relationships, or the passionate ruby, said to rekindle excitement and spontaneity. And let's not forget the powerful lapis lazuli, thought to enhance honesty and open communication. Remember, the key is to choose a crystal that resonates with you and your relationship goals. It's about harnessing the energy that aligns best with your intentions. Whether you want to foster forgiveness, strengthen your bond, or improve communication, there's a crystal out there for you. By understanding the unique properties each crystal has, you can choose the one that best aligns with your relationship goals. So there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of crystals and their potential influence on our relationships. We've journeyed through the mesmerizing realm of these radiant gems, exploring their nature and understanding the power they hold. We've met the Rose Quartz, the love magnet, and the Orgonite, the healer of emotional scars. We've discovered the lapis lazuli, the harmonizer of relationships, and not forgetting the moonstone, the stone of intuition and empathy. Each of these crystals carry unique energies that could possibly enhance our relationships, adding a touch of sparkle to our lives. But let's not forget, the true essence of any relationship lies in mutual respect, understanding, and love. The magic, after all, is in us. But who knows, a little sparkle from a crystal might just add that extra touch of magic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep shining bright.